Ang nadidinig niyo pong boses ay si Marlene at si Thea. So, ayan na nga yung PBA Draft 2025. Tinawag na yung ating kung sino yung pick ng Magnolia. Si Yukian. Ayan na, siyempre, sa pangunang ating idol, the manager out in Patriots, Coach the rest of Magnolia projects.
That is exactly what they're getting. Look at his credentials. He's just 24 years old. As I mentioned, 6'5", championship program.
SM September 7 pa to. September 7, 2025.
This is precisely the reason why you can't Mandraga in the first round. She could be way more line out. They were really short of that front line. There is a previous for big guys. And plus you mentioned being that mentality in the championship and that's what Magnolia is working.
Exciting times coming up para sa Magnolia Checking with Plato Satras. You heard the ovation. Hindi ba pinabanggit ni Coach Ellie kasi napipigit ang ganda ng salubo ng Magnolia fans dito?
Ibang klase talaga. Yung generate na excitement ni Tenorio. Alam natin sa ating liga sa basketball player. Pero ngayon, pag ibagong yung para rin sa Magnolia, talagang yung excitement level ng mga fans at lahat na sumusabay dito sa play, naman mo. Dahil sa pagdating ni Coach Ellie.
Sigurado yung Magnolia fans. Mas gusto ko makilala ito si Etienne. Siya ay kasama niya ako.
Yung